Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 9. Our learning goal for today says, I can model teen numbers in different ways. Okay, remember when we model a number, we show it, right? And today we're going to talk about how we can show it in different ways. So here we go. Here's the number, wait, what number is that? Oh, thank you, 11. Can anyone say 11 the say 10 way? Good job, 10, 1. Awesome. All right, I like thinking of numbers the say 10 way because it helps me think about what would my picture look like. 10, 1. Well, I'm going to have a group of 10s, and I'm going to have one more. So how could we model 11? The first way I'm going to show you how we could model a teen number like 11 is to model it vertically or in rows that are up and down. Okay, let me show you. Here I have 10 because there's 5 and 5 more is 10, and then 11. Do you see how I drew my pictures going up and down in nice straight rows? I mean, there's not a lot in this row, but I still did a nice job. When we stay really organized, we can clearly see the number that we're drawing. Okay, well, I don't want to be the only one doing drawings today. So what I would like you to do is I want you to go ahead and get a dry erase board and a marker. Go ahead and press pause while you grab your materials and then press play when you're ready. Okay, friends, do you have your materials? Oh, good. Now I drew a picture of 11 and I drew it in nice rows that were vertical. They were up and down. I want you to go ahead and press pause and do the exact same thing. Our pictures are totally going to match. We're just having practice with different ways to model our pictures, okay? So go ahead and press pause, do your good work, and then maybe talk with a friend about how your pictures look. All right, press pause while you do it. Press play when you're done. Okay, friends, did you practice drawing your pictures vertically where they're going up and down? Good. Now, I have a question for you. Did you do your group of 10 in 5 groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right next door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like that. It keeps it organized. Perfect. And did you leave a little bitty space? I know I took a big space, but if you took a little bitty space or kind of a big one, that's okay. To put your 1 by himself? Good. Now, we want to make sure this 1 over here by himself isn't floating around town. Good. Stay organized. All right, go ahead and erase your board because we're going to talk about another way we can model teen numbers. All right, what number is this? Good, it's 14. Can you say it the say 10 way? Excellent. 10, 4. Okay, so are you already picturing in your good brain what you're going to be drawing? Yeah, I'm thinking a group of 10 and then 4 ones. Awesome. All right, last time we drew our picture vertically where we were drawing our groups going in straight lines up and down. Now we're going to draw our groups horizontally, where they're going to be going across in a straight line across the page. Watch, let me show you. Here's my group of 10, and then my 4 ones. How is this picture different from the last picture, friends? Yeah, it kind of looks like they're stacked on top of each other instead of right next to each other. I agree. Do you notice how I left a space so we could see the differences between the groups? Oh, good. Awesome. All right. On your nice dry erase board, I want you to draw a picture of 14, just like I did, horizontally. Our pictures are totally going to match. We're just getting good practice with another way to model our teen numbers. Now, when you're done drawing 14 horizontally, talk with the person next to you and talk about things you notice. Are both of your drawings really organized? Did you leave spaces where they're supposed to be? You don't have any bees flying around, do you? Okay, press pause, do your good work, and then press play to check yourself. Okay, how did it go? Excellent. Did you do your 10s with 5 groups and then another 5 group on the bottom? Wonderful. Excellent. And these guys were in a nice straight row, right? They weren't flying around town. Okay, good. All right, go ahead and erase your board. All right, this one is my favorite way to model a teen number. Okay, wait till you see this. What number is that, friends? Good, it's 16. And the say 10 way to say 16 would be? Yes, 10, 6. Okay, so 16 is going to be a fun one too because last time, or in the beginning, we did up and down in nice straight rows. And then our last picture that we drew was horizontal back and forth. But this one is going to be random. That means you get to make bees all over your page. 16 of them. Now, it's kind of tricky to do it this way because it's not very organized. But I want you to start out by just drawing 16 circles on your board. You can draw them all zigzag and all in wild spots just like mine. Go ahead and do that and press pause while you do it, but then press play because I'm going to have you do one more thing. Okay, did you draw your 16 bees? In your case, circles? Good. Now, what did you notice? Was it easy to draw 16? Well, it is kind of tricky, right? Because that's a big number to draw. And when they're not organized, sometimes you have to recount. Like sometimes I draw some and then I'm like, wait, how many did I draw? And I have to stop and keep recounting to see if I've gotten to my number yet. So one thing you can do if you want to draw a random picture like we did where they're all over the place, to make sure you have the right amount, is count out 10 and circle them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, there they are. I'm going to go ahead and circle up 10 of them. I just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I kind of kept them in a group so I knew what I was circling. All right, I want you to go ahead and press pause, circle 10 of yours in one group, and then press play. Okay, so who can tell me, looking at your picture and looking at my picture, why is circling 10 helpful when we draw a random picture to model a team number? Yeah, because it shows the group of 10. Remember, 16 is 10, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we want to show a team number actually has that 10 in there, right? So if we circle the 10, not only does it really show what's going on with that team number, but also it shows the different parts so it's easy for us to check to make sure we have just enough. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, excellent job. Erase your board, friends. All right, well, this is super fun. Our learning goal for today says, I can model team numbers in different ways. So we talked about 3 different ways we can model team numbers using our good drawing skills. All right, well, you did fantastic, friends. So this is what I would like you to do. You can pick any of the ways that we talked about. Maybe you're like Miss Arwood who likes to be super organized and you want to put them in 5 groups in a drawing that's either vertical, up and down, or horizontal, across. Or maybe you like a random spotty picture and you want to have 12 little bees floating around on your dry erase board. It's up to you, friends, but I would like you to pick one of the strategies and I want you to draw 12 as a picture to model that good team number, okay? This is 12, and how do you say 12 to say 10 away again? Yes, good job. 10, 2. All right, good luck, friends. I can't wait to see your good pictures.